Welcome to this short video regarding how to make a contribution into a Developmental Disabilities Endowment Trust Fund. I'm Tamara Roberts. I'm with the ARC of Washington State, and I'm the Trust Manager for the DDETF. Thank you for joining me. Just as a quick reminder, a DDETF trust is a special needs trust as defined by the Social Security Act. This means that the funds in the trust are exempted from being counted by public benefit agencies. In addition, the DDETF offers two types of trust accounts. The first is a third-party special needs trust, what we call a Trust 1. This type of trust account can accept funds from anybody else other than the beneficiary being who the trust benefits. So as an example, mom or dad, grandma and grandpa can contribute funds into a third-party special needs trust for the benefit of an individual. The other is a first-party or a self-settled trust. We call this a Trust 2. This type of trust account should only accept funds that belong directly to the beneficiary. There are a lot of individuals who have received a lawsuit settlement, an inheritance left directly to them, or perhaps maybe they work and they need to protect some of their earnings. These individuals will establish a self-settled or a Trust 2 special needs trust account. A frequently asked question we get is, how do I make a contribution into my special needs trust? Currently, there are two ways to contribute into a trust account with the DDETF. The first is to issue a check and mail it to us at the ARC of Washington. We ask that you make your check payable to the Endowment Trust Fund and mail it to the DDETF, care of the ARC of Washington State. Our mailing address is 2638 State Avenue Northeast. We're in Olympia, Washington, 98506. We would love it if you would include a contribution slip with your check in the envelope. A primary representative can find contribution slips in the new enrollment packet that would be sent out after the trust has been established. If you do not have a contribution slip, you can visit our website at ddetf.wa.gov and go to the Forms section. Look under Other DDETF Forms, and there you'll find a PDF of blank contribution slips that you can print out. If you don't have a printer or internet access, we would be happy to mail you some contribution slips at your request. The other way to contribute funds into a special needs trust with the DDETF is via a bill pay. If you do online banking with your banking institution, you should be able to establish a bill pay to the Endowment Trust Fund. We would ask that you include the account number and the beneficiary's name in the memo to ensure that the funds are contributed into the correct account. If you don't do online banking, then we would encourage you to visit your local branch and speak with one of the tellers and see if they can help you set up a bill pay. These are the two ways you can contribute to a DDETF Special Needs Trust. This is Tamara Roberts. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.